managing your finances and just planning. And today I'm sitting in here and I'm telling y'all, normally, or I had some time ago, got my bills pretty much organized to, I didn't have as many out there, but I think I've been doing a lot lately. I've been doing a little too much, y'all. Y'all help me. But anyway, just looking at these bills, I'm going to show you what I got going on. I'm going to show you what I done did. And I don't know when my stacks got to be so big, but I tell you what, I'm going to I got a plan to get it taken care of, okay? So I'm going to tell y'all, I ain't going to tell you who all I got, but this is my stack that I've already paid for June already. And that's a nice little stack. Y'all see that? I'm old school, so I do things old school way. I got me a notebook here, y'all, where I write everything down, and so I keep organized. So that's just for me. I'm old school. I know a lot of people do everything on the internet and everything now. I prefer to do it this way. I probably would do it this way until they stop me from doing this way, or not accepting checks or whatever. There's a couple things that I let go automatic, but not many. I don't like to give anybody all the control of my money. So I want to control it, and it has helped me. It's just what I like to do. So y'all seen what I done already done. And I'll tell you, it's normally not like this, but I've been traveling and doing a whole bunch this whole year. I've been doing, I think I've probably been doing too much, but I ain't gonna say I'm stopping y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna work on getting it better. So what I still got left to pay is right here. Yeah. That ain't looking too good. So I have got to pay these bills, y'all. These are what I got left for June. I try to pay everything, everything comes in monthly or yearly. Some things, believe it or not, I do yearly. But I got a big stack here. I've been doing too much. I'm going to make some changes, y'all. So just wondering, what are you guys doing? How do you do it? Do you do old school and write everything down like I do? Making your budget and planning your bills and setting that up? Or do you go with a lot of people, like a lot of people are doing now, setting up on auto pay? Personally, I don't like the auto pay because I like to have more control. I did that a long time ago. I did auto on all my bills, and then, they would take all their money, and I was younger then. I didn't have as much money then. Things were tighter, and I would give them all the control. So they would let me, after they got finished taking everything they had, sometimes I didn't have nothing left, y'all. So I don't like that. So I prefer now to take control and send in the payments or make the payments. I still do old school. I mail my stuff in. Are you guys mailing your stuff in? How are you doing it? Should I not do it this way? Sometimes my son had mentioned to me about fraud and all of that at one point, but because he pays his stuff all online and stuff, and I'm hard-headed sometimes. I don't want to do that, because then he had a threat where someone had gotten into his account, y'all. I was like, see? So anyway, I'm old school. I'm doing my budgets today. I'm setting out and I'm writing everything down. I'm trying to pay off. Like I said, I've been doing quite a bit of traveling, maybe once or twice in a month. So I've been real busy. So that's probably why I got, a larger stack here. But we're going to get this taken care of, because I'm telling y'all, I do not like all this. I had gotten my list down to a very little bit of stuff. I normally don't, but I done a little too much. But we finna get it in order. We finna get it back in order. Speaking of which, so instead of me doing this here method here with the bills, y'all, putting them in the wastebasket. I guess I better pull them over off and go ahead on and pay them, y'all. So my advice today is when paying your bills, make a plan, write them down. That's what works for me. I don't know if it'll work for you, but if it would, if you're finding yourself getting to some trouble or missing some payments or forgetting to pay some of your bills, get you a notebook. Like I said, I write everything down. Right now in front of me, I got planners, calendars, and notebooks. I love my notebooks. I have multiple notebooks for different things. That one, that's just an extra one for notes and things that I may be doing, traveling, or I'm always writing something down. I can go back for years and years and tell you what I did years ago or what I might have planned or what I might have been reviewing. I love it when I come across those notes and, years later, it's like, oh man, okay, yeah, that's what I was doing. But anyway, I got my bill book here. That's my bill. And I do have my bills there, but normally I don't have that many. I just normally got my regular lights, water, gas. Those are my normal month-to-month bills, and a couple other ones. But now, I like I said, I've been doing too much, so I got a lot on that credit. That's what the problem is. But I'm gonna clean that up. We ain't gonna keep worrying about this. We cannot continue the year. We halfway through the year, trying to clean that up, let that go, and move on. So I'm gonna get it together, y'all. But that's what I do. I suggest to you to do the same thing. Like if I charge something a little high on my card and I cannot pay the full balance off before those 28 days, it's billing cycle 28 days that you get, and you don't accrue any interest, because that's a big no-no for me too. I don't want to get caught up in paying nobody interest, so I try to pay all of my bills. If I put $1,000 down, I got to be paying $1,000 before that interest occurred. So normally, but I mean, there comes times when maybe I might have done a little too much and I can't do it the whole bill, but then I may break it up in 2 or 3 payments, because I'm going to minimize that interest that I'm going to pay on any credit card. Because y'all, I ain't got no money to give away. I'm telling you, I'm tight about it, and thank you, Lord. I'm tight about it, and I want to be tight about it, because like I said, I don't like paying interest if I can help it. Sometimes we do need to, hold on a little bit longer, but just with time, it has taught me how to manage and my bills and keep them organized. And that's what I do, y'all. I try to write them down, but right now, y'all, I don't know. I've been doing too much, but I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna take care of these bills, pay off some of these credit cards from all this traveling I've been doing, and get it taken care of. So I'm in the office today just working on some stuff, y'all. What y'all do? Are y'all paying y'all bills up? How do you budget? How do you budget yours? How do you do it? Do you do like me and try to pay the full balance off within the 28 days? Or do you continue to carry credit balances? Maybe you can tell me some tricks that I don't know about saving money and better plans at doing it. I mean, I normally don't like to charge, but this world we're in now, everybody wants to have a credit card. Everybody, I do try to carry cash to keep from, putting on the credit card. But sometimes, I've taken how many cruises? I've been on some cruises. I've been on some places that they do require that you put the credit card down. So, y'all, I'm gonna get it together though. I'm gonna get it together because I don't like the position I'm in right now, and it's time to get it straight, y'all. Because I can't just put those bills over here, y'all. This is where I want to put them at, leave, but I can't, y'all. Because credit is good. You have to try to get your credit score up, and it helps for when you need something, or in life, And I just feel like I'm at that point. I have worked hard to get to this position, that my credit is good by paying my bills and, things like that. And it's easy. It's so easy to stumble and, have to start over again or trying to do it. But that's my goal. And I just wanted to tell you what I do and ask you if you're having any issues or if you have any questions, how I'm doing it or how I plan for my vacations and make them happen, or my, or just daily stuff. Because, I got a letter. I also got a letter, y'all. I got a letter about a day or two. I think it was yesterday I got a letter about my insurance. Now, my insurance for my homeowner's insurance, normally, of course, it comes out through my mortgage. I still have to pay my mortgage, y'all. So it comes out and I pay it annually through my mortgage. But I got a letter. And in the letter, it is stating that I got to find a new insurance company. Because the company that wrote my policy will no longer be, covering my state. Y'all, I do not like change. And I like the price that it was too, y'all. So now I got to start all over. Get it all cleaned up. Get my insurance together. Well, I guess it's time for me to look for automobile insurance too. So I guess we're going to do it all together. I might as well. Because, bundling, if you bundle your house insurance or renter's insurance along with your car insurances and things of that nature, for your life policies, you will save more money. You get discounts by doing that. So I guess that's what I'm going to have to do, y'all. I'm going to work on that. Tell me, do you guys have any, just wondering, what do you do with your life insurance? Is it bundled with your home policy and your car insurance, your car policies for your car? Is all your insurance bundled, or do you use multiple agencies for your coverage? I just think it's better to do it. In the past, it has saved me money by doing them all together. So this time I didn't have my mortgage with my car. It was actually separate. So this time we're going to put them back together, I think. Y'all pray for me. I got to make some changes. And I got to get this stack. This stack has got to get smaller. Anyway, I promise y'all. We are not, I do not, I'm telling y'all. This is ridiculous. I still got this many bills. I done too much. I'm telling y'all, I done too much. But I will get it together, y'all. I am going to get it together. I am getting it together because I got a lot on my plate, a lot going on, and I'm thankful and I'm grateful, and my God has made a way. Y'all see that plaque behind me? Y'all see that? My daily prayer. God grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage to change the things that I can, and that wisdom to know the difference. That is my daily prayer, y'all. He will help me with these bills that I got setting up here. He will show me what to do and how to do it. That's why I say, y'all, I'm faith driven, y'all. He gonna fix it for me, and he can fix it for you too. He sure can. If you trust and believe, God got you. He'll show you how to do it. He will bring you through it. He'll bring you to it, and he'll bring you through it. What are you guys doing out there, y'all? Y'all coming on through it? All right. You trust in God, knowing that he can make it all right? If you trusted him, then hey, that's all you got to do, y'all. Well, that's all I wanted to say today, y'all. Just say hello, wish you well, and let you know that we can get these bills together. Okay? Have an awesome night, y'all. and we'll see you in the next video.